Terrafirma Terradactyl. Right, let's get it open. Have a look what's inside. Just joking, you know what's inside. I'm not going to do this mystery box thing. It's an awning, so let's open it up and have a look. It does look very well packaged, to be fair, so well done to Terrafirma for that. But I'm going to get it on the floor, and that way I can open it a bit easier. Are we ready for this? Oh, very nice. Got a nice little bag of goodies with it. Let's get the main awning out. Right, definitely is well packaged. Get rid of all this stuff. Assuming these might be some extendable feet or telescopic poles or whatnot. These look like some brackets of some sort. Right. Oh, this does look very, very nice. Look at that. Right, it is quite heavy, but I guess it's a lot of kit, and everyone knows heaviness makes it good quality. So let's get this all laid out nicely so we know what we've got. So in the box we've got the main awning, 2 brackets and a mystery bag. So let's have a look in here, see what we got. Okay, we have some ratchets, guide ropes I'm presuming, and got some Allen key with it. This is all, I even get spanners as well. Look at that, 10mm and a 13, 2 of them. You know why they supply 2? Because they know you're going to lose one. Got a bolt kit, they're ground pegs, put them there. That's going to bolt onto your roof rack up there. I'm going to have to do some kind of fabrication with this to get it to work somehow. My truck has got a tubular roof rack, so I'm going to have to get creative with these mounts to see how I can actually fix it on there. Right. Let's go buy some steel. And while I'm going down to buy some steel, I'm going to have a think and see if there's another way I can do this. Because I need to make up something to sit on there. Right, back in a second. Right, box section is bought. I say bought. I asked them for a bit of scrap and they gave me it, which is excellent. So that's going to go onto there, bolt through, drill a hole, drill 2 more holes at the end of this. Excellent. Easy job. Right, let's get back, get it fitted. Right, we've got our brackets made up now. So that's going to bolt onto here like that. Awning will be mounted here. 2 bolts, another little U-clamp here and a U-clamp here, straight onto the roof rack. Job done. Easy peasy. Right, I have just realised I have a problem. This is good, the U-bolts here. U-bolts here are good. Just need to tighten them up. What's not good is my roof box here. I don't know how I'm going to access that. I'll have to get a new one on the other side or get some storage boxes or something, but minor problem. So we'll get this tightened up and then we'll give the awning a trial. Haven't opened it yet, obviously, because it haven't actually been mounted on the car and I've had nowhere to open it to. So actually I have to wait for this wind to die down, which might mean another day's wait, or go and find somewhere less windy. The awning is now installed. You're joining me for the first use. Let's see how long it takes to set up. Right, I've got one zip. Folds up. Oh, it's huge. Look at that. Oh, that's brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. Now, it is self-supporting. I can't get over the size of this. It's massive. Absolutely massive. It is self-supporting, but there are legs that pop down on it, and these just clip in and twist, and that's it done. Same with this one. So there's 4 legs altogether that come down. They just twist into place, and that's it done in terms of support. There is guide ropes that come with it, so you can hammer those into the ground for those windy days, because it is effectively one giant sail. So if you haven't secured it down and the wind picks up, you're going to be in trouble. But that's absolutely brilliant. I love it. This gives plenty of shade, and while I'm cooking out the back here, or I've got my shelf clipped on the side, got nice protection from the rain, from the sun as well, for those hotter climates. And there's Velcro all the way around the edge here, so you can get sides for it too. Absolutely fantastic. I love this. Absolutely love it. I did not expect it to be this big. I really did not. Right. Wind's picking up now. You can see it's starting to move around. So now's probably a good time to get those guide ropes pegged in. Let me get the kit out. It comes with all the kit. So it comes with this little kit here, a set of ropes, but also, so you've got a set of like traditional guide ropes, just like what you get on the tent, but also Terrafirma do these nice ratchet ropes as well. So let's get this pegged in and try these out. that's it all pegged down. Really do like it. I've got some spare pegs with the set as well, so fantastic. But this is going to be a great area for if you're cooking, standing with friends, getting out the rain, getting out the sun, or anything else that you might be doing. If you're full on camping as well, you can have the sides that Velcro on, going all the way around to create a complete enclosure. So really, really good bit of kit. And it's grey, not black, which means the heat isn't going to radiate through as much. That's the awning install all complete. I'll see you on the road.